Meet Felicia. Like many of us, she's been on a seemingly endless journey of managing her weight. From trying out the latest fitness trends to experimenting with various diets, Felicia has seen it all. But amidst this whirlwind of health fads, she often felt lost, wondering if there was a simpler, more sustainable approach to weight loss. Then, one day, amidst her research, she stumbled upon something she hadn't tried before: the 14-10 intermittent fasting method. Intrigued by its simplicity and the promising benefits, Felicia decided to give it a shot. Join us as we delve into Felicia's transformative journey with the 14-10 method, exploring the highs, the lows, and everything in between. Felicia, a project manager at a tech firm, was often desk-bound for extended periods. Her job left little time for breaks, leading to rushed, unhealthy lunches. Late nights meant sugary snacks and caffeine. Off-duty, she'd unwind with TV shows and frequent takeout meals. Over time, the effects of this lifestyle began to show. Felicia noticed her clothes fitting a bit tighter, her steps becoming a tad slower. She felt constantly tired no matter how much sleep she got. The vibrant, energetic Felicia of the past seemed to be fading, replaced by someone who felt sluggish and weighed down, both physically and emotionally. Mirror reflections became a daily reminder of her dwindling confidence. Health concerns like shortness of breath after climbing just a flight of stairs became alarmingly frequent. Felicia knew she needed to change, but the question was, where to start? Determined to reclaim her health and vitality, Felicia began her deep dive into the world of weight loss. From keto diets to juice cleanses, she read about them all, trying to discern which method might be the best fit for her. It was during one of these late-night research sessions that she stumbled upon the concept of intermittent fasting. The idea was intriguing. Cycle between periods of eating and fasting to give the body a chance to reset and heal. As she delved deeper, she discovered various fasting patterns, but one particular method caught her eye: the 14-10 method. It proposed a 14-hour fasting window followed by a 10-hour eating window. The simplicity of it appealed to Felicia. No complicated meal plans or calorie counting, just a shift in eating timings. However, with every glowing testimonial she read, there was also a voice of skepticism. Could just changing when you eat, rather than what you eat, really make such a difference? The mixed reviews fueled her curiosity. Felicia decided she wouldn't just take others' word for it. She was going to try the 14-10 method for herself. Intermittent fasting, at its core, is about cycling between periods of eating and not eating. But what makes it so effective? The science behind it is both fascinating and compelling. When we eat, our body spends hours processing the food, breaking down carbohydrates into glucose, which then fuels our cells. However, after a certain point, the body starts storing excess glucose as fat. By fasting, we reduce the window of time our body spends in this storage mode. According to a study published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism, after about 12 hours of fasting, the body enters a state of ketosis. This is when it starts burning stored fat for energy instead of relying on glucose. Extending this period to 14 hours, as in the 14-10 method, can amplify these effects, leading to more efficient fat burning and weight loss. Another significant aspect of intermittent fasting is the metabolic shift it induces. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that intermittent fasting can increase metabolic rate by 3.6 to 14%, aiding in faster calorie burning. But it's not just about when you eat, it's also about what you eat. The 10-hour eating window in the 14-10 method isn't a free pass to indulge in unhealthy foods. Instead, it's an opportunity to provide the body with essential nutrients. Consuming a balanced diet with whole foods, rich in proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates, ensures that the body gets the fuel it needs to function optimally. This nutrient intake plays a crucial role in maintaining energy levels, supporting cognitive functions, and overall well-being. In essence, the 14-10 intermittent fasting method is a harmonious blend of timed eating and quality nutrition, backed by science to promote health and weight loss. Embarking on the 14-10 intermittent fasting journey, Felicia was filled with a mix of excitement and apprehension. The first few days were, to put it mildly, challenging. The hunger pangs were the most immediate hurdle. Accustomed to her regular meals and snacks, Felicia's stomach often rumbled loudly, especially during the late mornings, signaling its displeasure at the change. Along with the physical hunger came mood swings. There were moments of irritability, especially during her usual snack times, and she found herself feeling more emotional than usual. Social challenges also cropped up. Lunch invites from colleagues became a delicate dance for Felicia. How could she explain her new eating routine without sounding like she was on yet another fad diet? And then there were the family dinners, where her plate remained empty while others feasted. leading to curious glances and well-intentioned concerns. Temptations were everywhere. The aroma of freshly baked goods from the bakery next to her office, the sight of her colleagues enjoying their mid-morning snacks, and the memories of her own past routines made it hard to stay on track. But Felicia was determined. She reminded herself of the science behind the method and the benefits she hoped to gain. To cope, she began drinking more water, herbal teas, and even tried meditation to manage her mood swings. Slowly, as the days progressed, her body began adjusting to the new routine, and the initial challenges started to wane. As the weeks rolled on, the positive changes Felicia experienced were undeniable. The initial challenges of the 1410 method began to fade, making way for a host of benefits that transformed her life. The most immediate and visible change was the weight loss. Felicia's clothes began to fit better, and she noticed a newfound lightness in her step. But it wasn't just about the numbers on the scale. She felt a surge in her energy levels, no longer needing that mid-afternoon caffeine boost to get through the day. Additionally, her sleep improved. According to a study in the Journal of Translational Medicine, intermittent fasting can help regulate the body's internal clock, leading to deeper, more restful sleep. Felicia could vouch for that, waking up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated each morning. The benefits weren't just physical. Mentally, Felicia felt sharper, more focused. Tasks that once seemed daunting were now tackled with ease. Emotionally, there was a noticeable uplift in her mood. The mood swings of the initial days were replaced by a consistent feeling of well-being. A study published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry suggests that intermittent fasting can enhance brain function and resilience, potentially explaining the mental clarity Felicia experienced. Moreover, with each passing day, her confidence soared. The discipline and commitment she showed in her fasting journey translated into other areas of her life, making her more assertive and self-assured. In essence, the 1410 intermittent fasting method offered Felicia a holistic transformation. It wasn't just a diet. It was a lifestyle change that brought about physical, mental, and emotional betterment, all backed by scientific research. Every weight loss journey has its ups and downs, and Felicia's was no exception. After a few months of consistent progress, she hit a plateau. The scale, which had been her ally, now seemed stuck, refusing to budge. It was a frustrating phase, filled with self-doubt and questions about the efficacy of the 1410 method. But Felicia wasn't one to give up easily. She recognized that plateaus are a natural part of any weight loss journey and decided to tweak her approach. While the fasting method was the cornerstone of her regimen, she realized that incorporating regular exercise could give her the push she needed. Starting with brisk walks, she gradually added strength training and yoga to her routine, ensuring her body was constantly challenged. Mindful eating became another focus area. While the 1410 method provided a structured eating window, Felicia understood the importance of quality over quantity. She began paying closer attention to her hunger cues, ensuring she ate only when truly hungry and prioritized nutrient-dense foods. To stay motivated, Felicia turned to online communities dedicated to intermittent fasting. Sharing her journey, seeking advice, and reading about others' experiences provided the encouragement she needed to stay on track. The stories of those who had overcome similar challenges reminded her of the bigger picture and the transformative potential of the 1410 method. With determination, adaptability, and a supportive community, Felicia navigated the plateaus, rekindling her motivation and commitment to her health journey. After months of adopting the 1410 intermittent fasting method, Felicia's transformation was evident. From a skeptic, she became a confident proponent of her new lifestyle. She lost 35 pounds, but the benefits extended beyond weight. Improved blood pressure, cholesterol, and metabolism replaced her previous lethargy with sustained energy. People around her noticed. Compliments like, "You look radiant," and questions about her secret became frequent. These acknowledgments reflected her commitment and effort. Internally, the change was even more significant. Felicia felt rejuvenated, her newfound discipline and experiences enriching her life. She explored new hobbies, traveled, and joined community fitness events. For Felicia, the 1410 method wasn't just a diet. It spurred a comprehensive transformation, impacting every aspect of her life. Felicia's journey with the 1410 intermittent fasting method is a testament to the transformative power of determination and consistency. From initial skepticism to a life-altering transformation, her story serves as an inspiration for many. It reminds us that with the right mindset and commitment, profound change is within reach. Now we turn the spotlight to you. Do you know anyone who has had success with the 1410 method? Share with us your thoughts in the comments section below. And if you enjoyed today's video, check out this one next. Just don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on your post notifications so you won't miss out on any of our future content. Until next time.